So now we're going to get our web app running on DigitalOcean, and the first thing we're going to do is SSH keys. So we're going to add a SSH key here in DigitalOcean to security, and they provide more secure way of logging into your virtual private server rather than just using a password. And so to generate an SSH key, here I am in users Todd McLeod. If I do LSLA, I have this .ssh folder. So I'm in my root directory of my user account. I'm in my user account, and there's an SSH folder, and inside that SSH folder is where SSH keys get stored. You could create SSH keys, and secure shell is what it stands for, SSH key Mac, and manually generating SSH key on a Mac. And so there's SSH key gen t RSA. So I'm just going to run that and enter the file where to save it, and it's saying, do you want to save this in that SSH folder as ID RSA? And I'm going to be like, no. I want to save it. I'm going to hit Control C and cancel. I'm going to switch into my SSH folder. Now I'm going to run that again. And I want to call the key temp class. Enter a passphrase. If you want extra security, you could add that. So now it's been generated. And I'm going to ls.la, and I can see my temp class pub. That's the public one to give out. And we talked about asymmetric versus symmetric keys. An asymmetric key are public-private. They're different. And so the public one I could give to anybody in the public, so I could cat that. And there's this key here that I could give to anybody, so I'm going to copy all that. And then anybody is going to be able to encrypt and send to me, but only I could decrypt, so nobody else could decrypt. So if somebody else with the public key captured something somebody else encrypted, they couldn't decrypt it with the public key. The public key I give only decrypts. And then my key here knows how to, the public key only encrypts, my key knows how to decrypt. So what people can do is they could create a key, encrypt it with my public key, send it to me, nobody else could intercept it. I decrypt it, receive the key they sent, and now we could have symmetric key encryption. We're using the same key that will both encrypt and decrypt. So I could encrypt a message, send it to that person, they could decrypt it. Nobody else in the world has these two keys but us. So it allows for secure communication. So to set this up on DigitalOcean, I go add SSH key and drop it in there and give it a name, tmac, and add SSH key. So now I got SSH key there. So we've added our SSH key. Now we're going to come in here and get started with the droplet. So I'll build my first project. And I'm going to go with Fedora. Is that what we did last time? We did Debian last time, didn't we? Yeah, because there's the 9 stuff. That's 28. I'm going Debian. And droplet size, we'll go least expensive. And CPU optimized droplets, I don't want any of those. Those prices are all too much for me, man. So I'm sticking with that. And stay protected, do not leave. I have no idea what that means. No, I don't want backups. Add block storage. Lets you add independent storage volumes. No. And I want it in, I think, San Francisco. And I want, what, IPv6. Because IPv6, something to do with the web. Internet Protocol version 6. And add your SSH key. I'm adding the tmac SSH key. That's the public one. And finalize, create one droplet, choose a host name, and there, and then create. So we'll see if I forgot anything. So it's creating it. And in the next video, we will connect to it and upload our binary to it.